With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Which of the following lines is perpendicular to y is equal to minus of 3x plus 2 and has the same y-intercept as y is equal to 3x minus 2? Y is equal to minus 1 by 3x, or y is equal to minus 1 by 3x plus 2, or y is equal to minus of 1 by 3x minus 2, or y equal to 1 by 3x minus 2. Okay, so we know that for a straight line, if the equation of the straight line is represented in the form y is equal to mx plus c, then the value of m represents the slope of the line and the value of c represents the y-intercept of the line. So the two equations, the two lines we are given in the question are y is equal to minus 3x plus 2, y is equal to minus 3x plus 2, and y is equal to 3x minus 2. So let us call this one as line 1 and let us call this as line 2. So we can write that the value of m1, that is the slope of line 1, is minus 3, comparing with the standard form because m is equal to minus 3. So m1 is minus 3 and c1 for this line 1 is 2 plus 2. Similarly, for line 2 we can write m2 is equal to 3 plus 3 and the value of c2 is minus 2. c2 is equal to minus 2. Okay, now let us assume the equation of the line that we have to find. Let us assume that line to be y is equal to m3x plus c3. Okay, so we have to basically find the values of m3 and c3 and then we can find out the equation of the required line. Now as per the question, the required line should have the same y-intercept as y equal to 3x minus 2, that is line 2. So this line should have the same y-intercept as this line. So as the y-intercept of this line is c3 and the y-intercept of this line is c2, which is minus of 2, we can write c3 is equal to c2 is equal to minus of 2. Hence we have the value of c3. Now we have to find the value of m3. Also, the question states that the required line should be perpendicular to y is equal to minus of 3x plus 2, which we have assumed as line 1. So line 1 and the required line should be perpendicular, and as we know, the condition for the perpendicularity of two lines is that the product of the slopes of both those lines should be minus 1. So the slope of this line is m1 and the slope of this line is m3. So as they are perpendicular, we can write therefore m1 into m3 is equal to minus of 1. Okay, and we know the value of m1 is minus 3, so minus 3 into m3 is equal to minus 1. So from here we can write m3 is equal to 1 by 3. So we have the value of m3 and we have the value of c3. So we can write the equation of the line is y is equal to m3x, m3 is 1 by 3 into x plus c3, the value of c3 is minus 2. So this is y is equal to 1 by 3x minus 2, and going through the options we can observe that option 4 is the correct option.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.